Hi, how are you doing today? Today I'm making some habanero pineapple hot sauce. This is going to be a quick stovetop hot sauce. This is not fermented hot sauce. So super easy and a hot sauce that you can have completed in half an hour. So we're going to do 2 shallots and we're just going to rough chop all of this into a saucepan here. And you want about an inch piece of fresh ginger, and we're just going to slice that up and add that to our pot. And then I've got to get some gloves for those habaneros because those are pretty serious. And before we get to our peppers, we will do our pineapple, and I'm going to do half of a pineapple. And again, we're just going to rough chop this, so just some nice chunks like that. So half of your pineapple. Now I like to add a carrot to mine, and this carrot is going to help provide some sweetness as well as some nice color. So I've got 4 habaneros. It doesn't take a lot. These things are so incredibly hot, and a lot of the heat's in here. So you can kind of choose if you want to pull the seeds and membranes out or leave them in, depending on how hot you want your sauce. I'm going to leave mine in, and I'm just going to rough chop those and in with the rest of our ingredients. So over onto the stove, I'm going to do a teaspoon of kosher salt, or you could do your nice fine sea salt here, a tablespoon of honey, and 1 cup of filtered water. And we just want to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to let this cook at a slow boil for probably about 30 minutes. And one of the best ways to tell it's done is when your carrot gets soft. So this is the kind of boil we've got going on here. It's not too strong, and we're just going to let it sit here and do its thing, and we'll come back in 20 minutes and check on it. Okay, so we are coming up on 20 minutes, and you just want to make sure that those carrots are easily gone through, that they're nice and soft, so that they pure up nicely for us. So I will tell you, if you do not have a well-ventilated space, you probably want to make sure you put your hood vent on. Now we are just going to transfer all of this into this blender. Of course, you can do your food processor or even your stick blender. I picked this one because it's really strong, and I really want this pureed up nicely. And to this, I'm going to add the juice of an orange and a little apple cider vinegar. Now, I made, this summer, I fermented hot sauce with banana peppers. I used hot and mild banana peppers and pineapple, and it was amazing. We already went through it. It was so delicious. So this makes me feel like tropics, you know, this kind of pineapple and habanero makes me feel very, very like tropical hot sauce. So I'm going to do a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. So I'm just going to turn this on at the highest speed. I'm going to puree this. I just want to puree the dickens out of it. So really super smooth. Now, do not put your head over here and take a big deep breath, because it will definitely seal your breath away. I'm going to strain this. It's got a gorgeous color though, doesn't it? So I'm just going to help push this through. I just, make sure we get the pulpy bits out. We don't want a pulpy or grainy hot sauce. I've got a couple bottle options here. I think I'm going to go for the tall one. So I'm not going to lie, I'm a little afraid of the habanero. I really need Billy or Sam here, one to let me know how hot it is. Well, it's hot, but it definitely has some sweet notes. So it's not like catches you in the back of the throat, but it's not making my eyes water. But if you like hot sauce, it's a good one. And it's amazing what you can do with 4 little peppers. So I'm going to let this come to room temperature, obviously, before we put it in the refrigerator. And I'm going to tell you that you should keep it in the refrigerator because that's what I should tell you. But at home. I never keep my hot sauces in the refrigerator. I actually had a little extra. So that actually made quite a bit of hot sauce. So I might end up with both my jars. So there you have it. Beautiful, super easy. In 40 minutes, you're going to have this beautiful hot sauce. Take it as a hostess gift to somebody. Just make it for yourself. You get to pick out all the ingredients, and it's just such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful product. Thank y'all for being here today for habanero pineapple hot sauce, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.